What is this? Wait, do I have to pay for this? How do I pay for this in Korea?
Did somebody say help?
I'm confused how to pay for this. Could you help me?
Sure, I'll help you out. However, there are two downsides of this method. First, you have to come in person every time. And second, not every convenience stores accept this bill payment, so you might have to try a few places. After entering the electronic payment number and your card PIN, you can check the payment amount. And if it's correct, you can press yes and you're good to go. However, it has a couple of downsides too. First, you have to come in person every time. Second, if you're not really comfortable with Korean, this whole process might be a little confusing. So that's why a lot of people prefer to use their phone instead. So the third option, actually the best option, is mobile payment. You can use your bank app or a payment app to pay your bills. So now I'm going to show you how my bank app looks like just for your reference. So if you go to the menu and you find 공과금, you can search for 납부하기. And if you press that, it leads you to the payment page. And if you press 지로, it gives you like three options. So the first one is you typing in your payment number and your electronic payment number, and it will lead you to the amount of the payment, and you can just pay right away on the app. And there are other two options, which is 캔납부 and 큐어납부. So you can just figure out like which one works the best for you, and you can easily pay it on the app. Just make sure to check your bank's app because the steps might be a little different from each other depending on your bank. Also, you don't have to pay manually each time. You can set up automatic payment on your bank's app, so please take an advantage of that. If all of this feels a little confusing to you, then you can always visit your bank and they'll walk you through it, so don't worry too much.
Oh, it was actually really simple. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, girl. I hope this video helped you with your zero bills, and thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye guys, see you in the next video.